Ooh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Sucker. Gotcha. Yeah, guys, so CK is jumping out. And here comes 40 on the next one. That's what's up. Didn't expect to shoot a video at this time of day. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is bustling wind out here, guys. It's kicking ass. My boy CK is here to ride one of these things. So I took him up here to do that. So while we're at it, we'll go up here, guys, and see if we can shoot a video real quick. Wow. Got a whole bunch of bait fish in the water here, guys. Is that long jaws? Maybe long jaws. I wonder if I could hook one of them. They're pretty aggressive fish. Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing, and thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing, guys. Fish on? No? Fish onto some trees. Bushes. Low tide, guys. You can see that reef all the way out there. Very low tide. Not too disturbing. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Gotcha. Barra. Gotcha. That boy. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Got him, guys. That's what's up. I knew you was out there. Knew that for sure, guys. Let's get his hook out. Just don't want to get hooked again by another barra. Catch and release, guys. There. I'll get you down real quick, buddy. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. No, we're gonna let this guy go. We're not gonna keep him. Catch and release, guys. Let's get him back. Okay. Get him back in here. You're a bad boy. You get to go. Go on. Catch and release, guys. We'll let him go today. Gave me a decent little run on there. Kill on the new setup, guys. That's what's up. That's what's up. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Let that one go. We'll see if we'll pick another one up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Yo, not your normal content that I normally do, but CK and 40 and them's gonna get on one of them jet boats. So I got music in the background, so I'm trying to talk over the music at the same time so I don't get a copyright strike from YouTube. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna hand the camera over to CK because I won't be going on this one with him. He's gonna be going on this one by himself. So let me take you guys over and show you guys what's going on here. I was just fishing a while ago and I stopped because what happened is that it didn't make any sense for me to be fishing while we out hanging with my friends. So we're gonna use one of these jet cars. Let me take you guys and show you guys what's going on. So we're gonna pull these, put them in the water real quick, and CK is gonna take the camera and he's gonna head out. So take a look at these machines and get a close up on them, right? So this is what's up, guys. This way you can come and there goes the phone number right there, and you can get hooked up. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Man, CK, no. CK, I just gave CK the other camera. As you guys seen, I did that intro a while ago when I was giving him the camera. So he's gonna head out on one of them jet cars, and you guys gonna get a chance to see those at first hand from Jamaica shore fishing jet cars in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So stay tuned. He's gonna go out there and record some of these footage for us. All right, guys?
Yeah.
That's it. Straight out of New York, my dog's is here, and he's gonna test one of these rides, as you guys see in the background right there. So stay tuned for those scenes coming up. Boy, got 40 in the house, same way. 40's over here. He's chilling. He's doing it like that. And Yoli's there just as well. And here, guys, Tropical Beach, Montego Bay, doing it. The jet cars, jet skis, cabana stuff. Alright, so stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, guys, so CK have on the life jacket, you're ready to go out now. And we're working these two machines here. We just put the second one in the water. And like I said, guys, we're ready up. I turn on film camera on the head cam now, so he can get the footage when he gets into that. Alright, so that is it, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing out here, doing our thing. Jet cars 2025. CK1 is about to touch the water. So yeah, man. Yeah, guys, I'm in my gears. I'm in my gears. I'm not even trying to even jump in this water right now and get myself all wet up and stuff, and I got a lot of things to do, so I'm not trying to get wet. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing outside. I got it. I'll take it. Alright, so CK and I'm getting ready to mount up now, guys. He got the head cam on, so you're gonna get the footage from that, guys. So like I said, stay tuned for that. I got 40 getting in this one, so they're about to take off from here, Tropical Beach, Montego Bay, and they're about to get their driving instructions right now on the water. The Lambo, what do you say? The Lambo driving instructions on the water, not on land. So yeah, man. You're not going, Yoli? Yoli, you're not going?
Nope.
Yoli, you're not? You're not? Oh, you're going. She going. That's what's up. So stay tuned, guys. CK already gone out the film camera run already, so he knows what's popping. Yeah, guys, so CK is the instructor. He's jumping out. And here comes 40 on the next one. That's what's up. Look at his face. Green button on top. Yeah. That boy don't know how to act. Look at him. He's out. Yeah, let's see what 40's up to. The breeze kicking ass. 40's girls jumping in. And yeah, he's about to take off, guys. So if you come to Jamaica, this is something to do. I was just on that pier when I caught that barrow a while ago. And see, that's what's up. 40's ready to take off. Go ahead. That's what's up, bro. Give him a little push off the sand so the jets don't suck up the sand. Trying not to get my sneakers wet here. That's what's up, guys. Crank it up. Stay tuned for the footage from CK's head camp.
For the cost. Yeah. Jumping out. Nothing. Yeah. No better push me here.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
40. Catch me on film, video. We outside, nigga. You ready? Yo, follow me.
That is it. Oh, shit.
Definitely CK and them enjoyed themselves on the jet machine and did their thing before they went out there. You guys gonna see the footage. Just stay tuned for that. Alright? So big up yourselves. We're about to cut from here real quick and link up with a few other people and do our thing. So let me take a quick walk down the beach, guys. Go down here and fix up the situation. Alright?